everyone, my name is Tanvi Pramila Shivaji Lavan from 3rd grade. My experiment name is leaking water bottle. First take an empty bottle, poke some holes on it and fill the water bottle with water. You can see the water is pouring out through the holes. Now I will
Lift it up and see.
lid. You can see the water stopped pouring out. Now again I will unscrew the lid. You can see the water is pouring out through the holes. I will close the lid. The water stopped pouring out. Isn't it wonder? In this case, surface tension of water and air pressure works together. Air pressure inside the bottle is low and air pressure outside the bottle is high. Air pressure always moves from
Air
high,
travels from.
air travels from high pressure to low pressure. Air pressure pushes the air inside the holes. That's why the water stopped pouring out. I hope you liked my experiment. Thank you.